Hey, what's going on, guys? So a lot of people have asked me, why did I drop out of college? Now, that's a really good question because one of the biggest reasons why I dropped out of college is because I was never a good student in high school. I didn't like the curriculum, I didn't like what they were teaching me, and I didn't like that I had to take prerequisites or even classes to even get to what I really wanted to learn 2 to 3 years from now. And also, I didn't like that I was going to college for the wrong reasons. I was going to get the approval of others, I was going because my parents forced me to go. And you know what? When I dropped out of college, everyone said, oh, you're never going to become successful, you're never going to become rich, everyone's going to hate you. I was afraid my parents would hate me, everyone else would hate me, and they'd think of me as a failure. That actually wasn't the case, because everyone that told me that I would never succeed has to eat their own words. Never listen to the opinions of others. It's your life. Why would you want to let your parents, your friends, tell you how to live your life? You only have one life to live, you might as well do it how you want.